not.
I think I wondered if it might be something. No, they've done all the footpaths over the field.
What do you mean done them?
They put all sorts of like hardcore down on them.
Have they?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know told about that, did I?
Right. Who done that then? The guy, your guy that gets stuff done?
No, the council.
How's the guy that gets stuff done getting on?
Which way to go here?
Jar of glue. Imagine this way.
What's that?
I don't think I'm going straight if you ask me.
I was asking you actually.
You're not getting on very well, did you say?
For me?
No, the guy that gets stuff done.
Oh, him. September.
It's all going to be done by September.
Well, no, it's the next stage.
They said they're going to get planning applications in September.
Oh, wow.
But they can't, they have to get the timing right.
Oh, okay.
It's not just about whether they've done the job, it's all about.
What they say really is that it's no good putting in half crop. They want to put in to what the tenants actually want.
Yeah, they've got to try and cover every angle, haven't they?
And things have changed a bit, and I think they've done sort of most of the drawings, but now I think they've got to provide more low cost housing. So I think there's the other one, there's sort of more expensive houses. So they've apparently redone the plans so it doesn't get thrown out.
So you're going to have a load of council living opposite, you know what I mean?
I don't know.
Oh, no, darling.
Well, not so far, but keep it isn't it?
Yeah, that's in there, actually.
You don't have any water, no?
Well, I do need water, though. They grow in already as dry.